Throughout history, wars have been fought with swords, cannons, tanks, and fighter jets. But what if I told you that the deadliest weapons of our time are not the ones you see on the battlefield? They are hidden in silence, traveling faster than sound, lurking beneath oceans, or existing only in lines of code. These technologies don't just destroy targets, they destroy stability, trust, and the very rules of war itself. In this video, we're going to uncover the top 10 deadliest military technologies you never knew existed. These are not the weapons you grew up hearing about. They are the invisible forces that can collapse entire systems, blind entire nations, and change the course of history in seconds. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of modern warfare. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why speed, silence, and psychology are now more powerful than bombs and bullets. Stay with me, because the #1 technology on this list may be the most unsettling invention humanity has ever created. Number 10, quantum. Stealth material, invisibility cloak. For the first time in history, soldiers can truly become invisible. This is no longer science fiction. The quantum stealth material is a metamaterial designed to precisely bend the wavelengths of light around an object. This means when a soldier wears it or a tank is covered in it, the light bypasses the object rather than touching it, making it disappear to the viewer. Crucially, this works not only in the visible spectrum but also against thermal, heat, and infrared, night vision sensors. On the battlefield, an invisible soldier or a hidden base can cripple any conventional army with zero resistance. This technology guarantees 100% success for espionage and infiltration, marking it as one of the most game-changing and deadly inventions. Number 9, hypersonic glide vehicles. These missiles travel at 5 times the speed of sound, and they cannot be stopped. Hypersonic glide vehicles, HGVs, are arguably the biggest military challenge today. They travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5, which is over 6,000 kilometers per hour. Their defining characteristic is that instead of flying high into space like traditional missiles, they glide along the edge of the atmosphere and can constantly change their trajectory. Conventional missile defense systems like that cannot intercept them because their speed and irregular flight path overwhelm calculation capabilities. China, Russia, and the US are leading this race. An HGV can deliver a nuclear or conventional strike anywhere in the world in just 15 minutes. It elevates the first strike capability and poses a massive threat to global nuclear stability. Number 8, directed energy weapons, $1 million. Missiles can now be destroyed by a laser costing $5 per shot. Directed energy weapons, DEWs, use focused beams of energy delivered at the speed of light directly onto a target. This category includes high-energy lasers, HEL, and high-power, microwave, HPM weapons. HEL can instantly incinerate and destroy enemy drones, artillery shells, or cruise missiles. Its biggest advantage is cost-effectiveness. Single laser shot costs a few dollars, compared to millions for an interceptor missile. HPM weapons are used to fry critical electronics or, more dangerously, to incapacitate humans. A specific HPM device called the Active Denial System, ADS, creates an unbearable, burning sensation to disperse crowds, but if powered up, it has the potential to cook internal organs, making it a highly dangerous, invisible weapon. Number 7, sentient system, AI battlefield brain. When the brain is a machine, not a man who wins the war, the sentient system is a top secret, artificial intelligence, program designed to function as the grand strategist on the battlefield. It processes data from satellites, sensors, and ground units worldwide in real time. It can make decisions thousands of times, faster and more accurately than any human commander. It anticipates the enemy's every move and recommends the employment of its most lethal weapons. The greatest fear surrounding this technology is autonomous warfare. This AI could make the decision to execute lethal action itself, without any human intervention. A mind operating without emotion, ethics, or fear of war makes the deployment of destructive weapons completely uncontrollable. Number 6. Autonomous. Swarm drones. Thousands of tiny robots attack at once. No defense system can cope. Autonomous swarm drones refer to a technology where hundreds or thousands of small, cheap drones are launched simultaneously for a coordinated attack, controlled by AI. These drones fly in a swarm and completely overwhelm the tracking and interception capabilities of any conventional air defense system. Their most lethal aspect is their AI-based targeting capability. Many of these drones can use facial recognition and other biometric data to identify and hit a specific individual or command center. This technology allows for completely autonomous killing, where a small drone can eliminate a high-profile target without any human control. Number 5. Portable sonic gun. Vibrational weapon. An invisible wave that shakes your internal organs. Without leaving a trace, the portable sonic gun is a technology that projects focused sound waves, either ultra-low or ultra-high frequency, in a directed beam. Since these waves are outside the human hearing range, they cannot be heard. When these waves hit a person, they create unbearable vibrations in the person's internal organs, the stomach, chest, and brain. At high intensity, this can cause severe pain, disorientation, dizziness, and even internal bleeding, though it started as a non-lethal deterrent. Its destructive capacity makes it a lethal weapon that can incapacitate a soldier without any visible external mark. It is used to silently disable the enemy. Number 4. Bio-Engineered Pathogens. Targeted bioweapons. Before deciding to kill you, this is perhaps the most terrifying weapon of all. Bio-engineered pathogens. These are biological weapons modified in a lab using gene editing technology like CRISPR to target only a specific DNA sequence or a particular ethnic group. This means a virus could be engineered to wipe out the entire population of an enemy nation while the aggressor remains safe. This is a genetic bomb that can bring a nation to its knees without the use of any visible weapon or declaration of war. Because it mimics a natural pandemic, it is nearly impossible to detect and stop, making it the biggest and most secretive threat of mass destruction. Number 3. Deep-sea autonomous submarines. A nuclear-capable robot hiding in the deepest trenches for months. Deep sea, but they can remain at the deepest and coldest parts of the ocean for months without resurfacing. They conduct covert surveillance, sever vital underwater communication cables, and can even carry nuclear payloads. Since they do not require human support, they can operate in extremely high-risk areas where human submarines cannot go. They act like ghosts underwater, are almost invisible to sonar, and can launch sudden and precise attacks on enemy naval bases, completely reshaping the future of naval warfare. Autonomous submarines are crewless submersibles with capabilities far beyond human limits. A virus that reads your genetic code. Number 2. Dead hand system. Perimeter. A doomsday machine that decides on its own to end the world. The Dead Hand, or Perimeter, is Russia's top secret automated nuclear retaliation system. Operational since the Cold War, the system operates as a doomsday machine. If all of Russia's command and leadership centers are destroyed by an enemy's first nuclear strike, this AI-driven system automatically activates based on analysis of sensor data. It ensures that even if no human is left alive, Russia's entire nuclear arsenal will launch a full-scale retaliation. This system guarantees the complete destruction of the attacking nation. It has the ability to trigger the world's largest nuclear stockpile without any human control, making it the biggest uncontrolled threat to global security. Number 1. Offensive. Cyber weapons, Stuxnet and beyond. The single most lethal weapon is not a missile, but a line of code. In today's world, the most dangerous weapon is offensive cyber weapons. These are digital arms, designed to disrupt and destroy a nation's physical critical infrastructure. The Stuxnet worm was the first public example, destroying Iranian nuclear centrifuges. Today's cyber weapons are far more advanced. They can shut down a country's power grid, crash its financial markets, paralyze hospital systems, or corrupt air traffic control across an entire continent. A successful cyber attack can bring a nation to its knees without firing a single shot or causing visible damage until it's too late. Because attribution, determining who launched the attack, is notoriously difficult. This anonymous form of warfare is the most likely to escalate into a catastrophic global conflict, earning it the title of the deadliest technology you never knew existed. So there you have it, the top 10 deadliest military technologies that are secretly redefining power. From true invisibility to AIs that can automatically trigger nuclear war, the future of conflict is more terrifying than we ever imagined. The question is no longer if these weapons will be used, but when and who will draw the ethical line. Which of these technologies do you find the scariest? Let us know in the comments below.